Hey everybody, Naley here, and yeah, it's that time of year. As you all remember last year, I got a Vanoss mystery box, and among one of those items, I think as some of you remember, was a little item to which pretty much brought my mind to, I don't know what it brought my mind to, but this thing is somehow still here. The freaking Vanoss gaming fidget spinner. I swear, Evan, if another one is in here, I'm gonna lose my mind. So here we go. So the box actually just came today. Alright, I have it right here. I'm gonna cut it right now. They always do away from you, but I'm going to have to set it aside because I don't have as much room to do the unboxing as I did last time. I hope you all can hear me clearly because, jeez, I have to be very quiet. I have some guests and I don't want to be too loud. Alright, so here we go. And I gotta get the scissors back. Because he sent us a box within a box. Oh, it says 3 black dot all around it. Look at that. 3 black dot. That's actually really good. It's actually really nice. Oh, hang on. There's actually a couple other things in here. Hang on. They're coming out with a new game in 2020. It's called Misfits. Oh, I definitely want to see what they plan for this. What's this? Oh, okay, gotta hang on to that. All right. So here we go, one more time. Okay. Just go nice and easy. It actually cut pretty smoothly. Okay. Evan, what did you do? Here we go. Holy... So we're starting with the main course here. Okay, I'm gonna set that down for a second. So we're gonna start with the main course here, as the Vanoss Gaming, basically the Vanoss Gaming True Go AirPods. Well, I can't wait to try these out. You know, let's take a look. Let's take a closer look at how these are. I guess I'm going to need the scissors for quite a few things in this. So I'm going to have these a little closer on standby. I don't have to keep reaching down every time. Actually, you know what? Since this is kind of a bit of an early Christmas... Hey Alexa, Christmas time.
Merry Christmas.
I know, I bet some of you who see this are going to think, wait a minute, did you get that from Brian's? I got the idea from it, but at least I didn't do a full copy. Alright? So here it is, it's in this small little thing. Let's see how these fit, actually. Wait, is there something else in here? Oh, here's the cord. Okay, it's USB-C. Gotta remember that for just in case I ever lose it. Oh! Okay, yeah, never mind there. It's just little instructions. Okay, come on. Just do that. Alright, let's see how these look. Oh my god. Did you hear that? Hello? These actually fit pretty nicely. It's gonna take a little time to adjust, but it's actually very cool. I'll figure this all out a tad later. But still. Oh my god. Okay, I wasted a little too much time just on these. Alright, what's the next thing we have here? Oh! Oh, it's like the wood owl thing. Look at this. It's like the carved wooden owl teeth. This is actually really cool, Evan. And yeah, a lot of you would probably think, oh yeah, thank you, Vanoss. I'm just gonna call him Evan because that's what his name is, but still. That is sweet. What did he send? Another bandana. That one is actually really sick. Here, hang on. Can I fold it out a little bit without screwing it up? Yes, I can. Wow. That is... wow. This is definitely overdoing it. Let's see here, what do we got? Where's this one? Oh, it's just a different Vanoss Limited shirt. For a second I thought it was like the Vanoss Heroes School thing for a second, but no, it was this. That's really sweet. It really is. Let's try to keep this all together nice. So like last year, he said stickers. This time he did, and as you see Team 6 and that's the toilet. I remember the first time they said that, and I just could not stop laughing. Oh, and content. Because that's what we're all going for as YouTubers. We all want content. Alright, what else we got? We got the Happy Burger hat. You know what? Last year I put on a hat while wearing this, so you know what? And there we go. Welcome to Happy Burger. Can I take your order? I actually look like, with my hair and everything, I actually look like one of those guys that you would see either probably at the very first window at McDonald's or something. I mean, at least they're not pulling up to see this. Can you imagine someone driving up to a fast food window, seeing someone wearing this? And you're like, holy crap! What in the world did you get? Where in the world did you get that? Oh my god. What else do we have in here? They're in the end of the box already. Oh! It's the wooden owl sweater or hoodie. Sweater hoodie. This is sweet. Oh, it even says Vanoss Limited right there behind. Right there, just behind the hood. Like, because when you have the hood down, you can't see it when it's up, and then you see it. Oh my god, this is sweet, man. Evan! Oh my god. Is there another thing? Yes, there is. And this is actually the last thing. So, doesn't look like there's any trolls this time. Double checking, no. Okay, so, what is this? Oh! Heck yeah, baby! It's one of the special Vanoss Limited thing. It's the insignia sweater. Okay, he did like a shirt of this. I actually really love this design. Oh my god. I will definitely try this out when I get the chance. Alright, but seriously, thank you so much for watching this video, and Evan, Vanoss, continue to be awesome. Goodbye.
Just let him know. Pull up to my squad, drink it down to the bar. That's your full bottle, I go full throttle. A series of unfortunate events, yeah.